For the second year in a row, school leaders must decide what will keep students and staff safe. At least four local school boards will discuss their return this fall and how masks will play a role. Mary Jo Ola has our story.
School will be back in session soon enough, but the pandemic continues to pose evolving challenges. School leaders and board members need to decide how to handle COVID mitigation measures, including face masks, a topic with lots of opinions.
Kids need to be back in school, and they should also be equipped with masks. I mean, this Delta variant, this stuff is serious.
If it means that they can be actually in school, I think it's a great thing. It's a sacrifice we're willing to make.
Middle son has speech issues. And so last year, with having to wear a mask the entire time, made it very difficult for him to be able to talk to his teachers and for his teachers to be able to understand him.
In the West Allis West Milwaukee School District, the administration recommends starting the school year requiring universal mask wearing, also noting the many opinions surrounding masks, even among some experts. The latest data from Milwaukee County shows there are 301 cases among kids under 18 years old in the most recent 7-day period. That is nearly 14 times higher from 4 weeks earlier.
If you want to keep your schools open and you want to make sure that kids and staff are safe, we need to follow the science.
The state's Department of Public Instruction updated COVID-19 guidelines for schools based on recommendations from state health officials, the American Academy of Pediatrics, and the CDC. They strongly recommend promoting vaccinations. Students older than 2 and all school staff mask up regardless of vaccination status unless a medical or developmental condition prohibits it. Requiring face masks on school buses and at least 3 feet of distance between students in classrooms combined with face masks.
Certainly if transmission were to go down and let's say vaccinations go up, then yeah, certainly we could reevaluate. But right now we're making this guidance and the strong recommendation based on the information that we have. And
I reached out to several school board members and superintendents getting ready for tonight's meetings. The few that responded said their goal is to keep students learning in person. Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.
Mary Jo, thanks. The Shorewood School District pivoted before the CDC's recommendation. The superintendent sent out a letter last week saying masking will be mandatory in all district buildings, regardless of vaccination status. The same goes for Milwaukee Public Schools, the largest district in the state. It also said masks will be required in all school buildings. There will also be social distancing rules and plexiglass barriers put up at desks.